Well, bone-chilling weather continues throughout the UP at this moment, though slightly warming up, only up to a 1 degree positive. We are seeing partly cloudy skies, so there is some good news. We're starting to see a little bit of a blue out there, but really that sunshine is not really going to warm things up substantially over the next week or even two as we continue to be under this cold bubble of Arctic air throughout pretty much the entire Midwest. -2 degrees at this moment in Ironwood, 5 degrees in Florence, 4 in Houghton, 3 in Ontonagon, 8 in Escanaba. That is actually the warm spot through the entire region, 8 degrees positive in Escanaba. Those winds now coming a little bit more out of the northwest today, 10 in Houghton, 8 in Iron Mountain, 13 in Escanaba. So really make sure to be layered up from top to bottom. -16 is what it feels like right now in Marquette. -8 in Escanaba, -14 in Ironwood. But you can see these negative readings are not just centered throughout the UP, but also downstate. -7 in Flint, -2 in Oscoda, -3 in Manistee. And especially during the nighttime hours, it gets a bit dangerous as we see those values fall towards -20 and even in some areas down to -30 and even -40. So it really only takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get frostbite if you have exposed skin, especially when you get those wind chills below -20. And keep that in mind as we head towards this New Year's holiday, because we are going to continue to see this cold weather. We're also going to be dealing with a couple of scattered lake effect snow showers as we head towards Thursday and into Friday and even lingering to parts of Saturday as we introduce a disturbance as well. Now the good news though, by the time we get towards Sunday and Monday, we will introduce some better chances of a bit more sunshine into the area. So that's at least going to allow, despite the cold air, to at least have a somewhat of a decent New Year beginning here in 2018. Now snowfall totals, at least for the last 24 hours, Grand Marais topped out the list at 10 inches, Ontonagon at 8.2, Painesdale and Mass City at around 7.5 inches of snowfall. There are already winter weather advisories in effect. The ones towards the west into Ontonagon and Houghton counties, these will actually begin to expire over the next hour or two. Now further towards the east, though, into Alger County, this one actually will expire by tomorrow morning. We could see accumulations between 4 to 7 inches. Into Schoolcraft County, that in blue, that's actually a winter storm watch, and that goes into effect tomorrow afternoon towards Friday morning, where we can see accumulations, especially towards the south, towards Manistee, up to a foot. So really be prepared for that, especially with those winds really reducing that visibility. But look at this high pressure, just that harsh, brutal cold air, and it's really dipping its way into parts of northern Florida and in the Gulf Coast as well. So if you really want to find that tropical weather, you really got to go down towards Miami or even towards Los Angeles if you want to find 70s and 80s, especially throughout this entire country. Now for tomorrow, low pressure bringing that snowfall throughout the western Great Lakes. This will eventually slide over towards the east on Friday. So if you are going to be traveling, say, Thursday and Friday, that's when we're going to see some of the roughest weather here before we start seeing a bit of more of an improvement. For tonight, though, kind of the calm before that snowfall arrives. -3 degrees, partly cloudy with just a couple of stray flurries possible. For tomorrow, afternoon snow showers picking up. 10 degrees in Houghton, 7 in Iron Mountain. So that southerly flow is going to allow those temperatures to make a comeback and get ourselves at least into those teens. 13 in Munising, and then the extended outlook. We're going to be dealing with some scattered chances of snow all the way through Tuesday.